Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tutorials, and I hope you've enjoyed the first 5 videos of this series. In the rest of the series, we actually take a ton of concepts and pack it in to 20-some videos all about GraphQL, Apollo, and React. In fact, we get into some really cool topics like load more pagination. We get into things like optimistic UI, which is a very difficult topic, and all sorts of how to work with different APIs, maybe the differences between what is one particular API, what's a GraphQL standard, and what is an Apollo thing, and all these different great features that make this stuff great to work with. We even dive into local state, so you can keep your entire local state and query it just like you would an Apollo query. That way you don't have to use any sort of additional state management like Redux. So let's get into it. If you would like to purchase this series, head on over to store.leveluptutorials.com or become a Level Up Pro at leveluptutorials.com/pro. Now with Level Up Pro, you get access to this series along with everything else. And if you sign up for the entire year of Level Up Pro, you get 25% off. So sign up for the year, you'll get 12 new series a year along with all of the other great Pro series that are already available. So if you like this content, Level Up Pro, check it out, get the year, save some money. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.